All right, I'm going to show you some tools so that you can do online class. This first one is called Screencast-O-Matic. A lot of you have heard of it. Probably one of the quickest, easy ways to create a screencast of your computer. You can also have a small video of yourself in the bottom corner. It's probably one of the easiest, but it does only record for about 15 minutes. So here's how it happens. You go to the website called Screencast-O-Matic. At that point, you're going to see this little tab right here that says Start Recording for Free. Once you click on Start Recording for Free, you're going to launch the free recorder. Now, depending on the browser you're on, this may look slightly different. It'll take a minute to load. In this case, since I'm on Chrome, it'll pop up here. If you're on another one, it may say run or save or whatever. Feel free to do that. Then double click it and it'll open. You should only have to do this the first time, and then it kind of adds this into your software. If not, and you have to do it each time, not a big deal. Updating, getting all the software, failed to download. That's weird that it says that, but it did work because I have this screen right here. So this is Screencast-O-Matic. Now, you can leave the page. You can go wherever you'd like. So say I was teaching about something else that I wanted you guys to learn about. For example, we are going to be learning about whales. So say that you were teaching about whales and you wanted your students to learn about them. I went to a whale website. I can choose what I want people to see and what not. So I choose the size of the video. When I'm ready to record, I click record right here. Gives me a countdown, 3, 2, 1. And now I'm using Screencast. Notice it gives you 15 minutes, and at the end of that time, then it saves the video. At this point, you can take this video and you can share it on your website. And that's how you would give the information to students as far as creating a lesson, maybe walk them through a website, what you're looking for, or just explaining a assignment. Okay. When you start Screencast-O-Matic, you're going to notice these different settings right here, such as, do you want them to just see what you see on your screen? Do you want your webcam, which shows you? I can click that and you'll see it should pop me up. If not, or both. I like both, because then it lets them see me while I'm going. Okay, so confirm that. And then you see yourself down here. It kind of shows a ghost looking shot, just so while you're recording you can actually see when you move stuff around. But it does put you into the video. This is helpful. Kids are a little more interactive when they can see their teacher. So that might be a good idea. Again, you only have 15 minutes, and when you want, you click record, counts down from 3, and then you can save it from there and use that on your website.